Hello folks, Laura here from Food Time and Garden. My pup and I just can't wait for spring to arrive. The snow is melting, but this is what we've had to contend with this winter. Oh my. But spring is around the corner, so welcome to Food Time and Garden for my little update on my pineapple and my indoor growing room. There was a pineapple challenge back in 2016 put on by Mick Watson. Howdy, Mick, in the UK. So I started off with a pineapple from the grocery store. Twist that head off of that pineapple gently and put it in a pot and hope for the best. Well, that was back in 2016, folks. I still haven't had a pineapple yet. I have a small house, so the spread on it was about 5 feet on each side. So for it to fit inside my house, I had to give it a wee bit of a haircut, folks. Yes, I did. Who has more fun than gardeners? So I sowed some bush beans and on the 18th of March, and they were up by the 21st. Yes, indeedy, folks, they were. Just take a look at those babies grow. They are amazing. Did you know that beans do not need to be pollinated and can be grown indoors? In times when food is short, that's not a bad idea. So if you're stuck in snow still like I am until the end of May, get your beans out and start planting, folks. So I've kicked up my indoor grow room a notch, let me tell you. I've sown bell pepper seeds on March 20th and they're up. Today's March 23rd. Get those seeds in the ground, folks. You know you wanna. The area where I have my Swiss chard is all filled up and I needed to MacGyver another growing space. So there's an aerial view of what I've got growing on. See my pak choi there on the right. And although you can't see it, underneath those lights I have tomatoes and some more Swiss chard and all kinds of plants growing on. Yes, I do. I also planted seeds back in July, sweet Latin peppers, even before the world changed. And I harvested all winter long. Starting around December, I had so many sweet Latin peppers. Oh, it was delicious, folks. So I'll leave you with a little bit of a funny and hopefully give yourself a smile.